What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pocophone, and I wanted to show you, it says 4G. So what does that mean? Does this work on T-Mobile? Does it work on AT&T? Does it work on United States carrier? What kind of download speeds are you getting? I know, but everybody's asking that question. Well, I'm gonna give you a simple answer. Doesn't look like it's getting LTE. It looks like it's getting 4G. It looks like it's HSDPA plus. So if you go in here into my download speeds, let me go to Chrome, and you see that's what I got the last time I did the test. We'll run it again here live on the channel so that you guys can see the download speeds. I was getting as much as 13, 14 downloads MPS, but I've been doing YouTube, I've been doing Instagram, Twitter, ESPN, watching games, so the signal's pretty good. Here's a little caveat: it probably has better signal than the Essential phone on T-Mobile. So I don't know what that means, but it's not getting LTE per se. What I'm gonna try to do is reset it and set it up through the region Mexico, because Munchie, shout out to Munchie. If you haven't watched his stuff, check him out on YouTube. He's very smart, knows his stuff. He said, why don't you try resetting your phone through Mexico and see if that will give you LTE. So I'm gonna give that a whirl, but I wanted to show everybody the signals that I'm getting on here, which is 4G only, not LTE. So if this is a deal breaker for you, you may want to reconsider buying this phone, but honestly, I've had phones that don't get LTE and the signal is terrible. This signal is actually really good, and this phone is excellent. I love the gestures on it. There you see, there's my last one, 5.16. So it just depends, I guess, when you do it. The gestures are excellent. All right, so if you go into SIM card and mobile networks here, and then you go into your phone number here, and you see preferred network type. Obviously, I prefer LTE. So that's set up, and then your access point names, I have it set up to fast.tmobile.com because that seems to be the fastest. But I guess you guys can play around in there. I don't know if that'll do it anything, automatically set the networks, but yeah, man, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting the 4G on here. If anybody was asking on T-Mobile, I haven't tried it on Cricket or AT&T. I don't have a SIM card for that, but hopefully I can grab one of those and try to test that out. That'll do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Wanted to give you an update. I will be trying the Mexico region and see if that works, but it is the Pocophone. This thing is snappy. The camera's excellent. These gestures are so cool, so easy to use. Google, Apple, you better take some lessons from Xiaomi because these gestures are pretty good. That'll do it. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud. Also on Instagram, Facebook, and Google+. That's the Xiaomi phone, rocking T-Mobile 4G. Peace.